Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply add another profile to your WITHINGS BPM Core. If you want to set up multiple profiles, go to Share in the app, go down and go to set up a child profile or adults for adults if you want to add an adult to your WITHINGS. So first I'm gonna do it for a child, later on I'm gonna do it for an adult, because to do it for child it's a bit easier. So let's go to set up child profile. Now you can edit the picture, you can add the name, you can add the date of birth. Let's add it to like child's 1. Assign sex, and now the height and the weight. Next, now declare that you're the parent or legal guardian. Click on continue and then click on done. Now you can see you have the child here and you'll have the measurements of that child there. So now I'm gonna do a quick measurement to show you how to save the results later. You most likely know how to do it if you were like watching the video on how to add profiles, because you most likely already saw it, but I'm gonna do the test and I'm gonna show you. Okay, now after taking the test you can see there's test, right? There's guest and hard. Hard is like the name that I've set for myself. Test is the name for the child, and guest is basically not saving the results. So let's set it to test. Let's approve with the button here at the top. And now, if you go to share, you can find children, right? And when you click on that child, you can see now I have the heart sound and the heart rate measured, right? Because I did the ECG, just ECG, nothing more. And that's about it for the children. Now let's do adults. So for adults, you all actually need to send an invitation. So I'll do it. Let's click on send an invitation to share your data. Then choose measurements you'd like to share. Not that. You should actually go to home, then click on your device in top right corner, and then go to share your device. Then click here, and it's gonna ask you what app to share it with. I'm gonna share it with messages. Then click on always. Now select the recipient. Okay, I have that. Let's click on next. Okay, never mind. You know what? I'm gonna share it with some other app so I can actually copy it. I'm gonna go to notes and click on always. Let's just, because I just want the link. I will use the link. And I'm gonna open the link. Of course, you can send it like from messages or anywhere else. And after clicking on the link, I'm gonna show you what to do. After clicking on the link, it looks like this. There's authentication, and I'd need to enter my email address that I use with the WITHINGS app, or continue with Apple, or continue with Google. I'm gonna continue with Apple just to like sign in. So I'm gonna get back to you shortly. Okay, and since I'm just creating the account now, I'm gonna accept it, click on next, agree to terms of use, click on next. Now let's add my first name and the last name. Then let's enter the date of birth. Okay, I have done everything, so I could already use it, but I'm also gonna get the WITHINGS app on my phone, so I can actually read the results later, right? Okay, I've set up the app as you can see now. By the way, if you don't know how to set up the app, there's a video on it. So like on how to set up the device, and it shows how to set up the app as well. So now I'm just gonna take a reading and I'm gonna show you. Okay, and after doing the tests, you'll see, okay, there's ECG normal, okay, and now I can slide between different users, and there should be me technically. I don't see myself yet, so that's a little bit of a problem. I'm gonna try again, maybe. Okay, now I've tried another time, and let's see if this time it works. Yeah, there's me. So I can click and approve to save it, and now let's try to refresh the app. And yes, it is there. So we have the blood pressure saved, right? Yeah, we have the blood pressure saved, we have the heart rate and everything, so that's great. And that will be about it for the video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.